We are a leading entertainment lighting manufacturer based in Shenzhen. We are certified with CE, RoHS, and ISO 90012015 quality management systems. Our products are exported to the UK, the Arab region, and Southeast Asia. We have a strong technical team. We ensure strict inspection of both product appearance and incoming materials, guaranteeing high quality. Our product line includes LED moving headlights, LED beam lights, laser pattern lights, LED matrix lights, and LED static par lights. You are welcome to visit our factory. For more information, please visit www.cwlolight.com.